Home prices are about to skyrocket, rescuing our economy and leading us out of the coronavirus pandemic. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why the housing market is poised to lead the American economy out of the coronavirus pandemic due to a shortage of inventory and pent-up demand. Don't believe me? Check out these tweets from Dr. Frank Noath, the chief economist for CoreLogic. Fact is, the price of any item, including houses, is dictated by the supply of that item as well as the market's demand for that particular item. Each week in May, buyer demand continues to rise. That home buyer demand, after dropping 34% when the coronavirus hit, is now within 15% of where home buyer demand was in 2019. Home buyer demand has continued to increase every week in the month of May. Home prices have actually gone up by 1%. Going a step further and diving into home buyer demand, you can see in this Google Trends report that the amount of searches on Google for new home listings has actually exceeded the point that it was at before the coronavirus. Going another step further, looking at this showing time chart, you can see that the amount of people actually going out to see property is in a complete V-shaped curve right now. We are very close to being back to where we were pre-pandemic and gaining on where we were in 2019. Unfortunately, it seems as though the number of houses, the supply that hits the market each week, has come to a screeching halt. At the beginning of May this year, the number of new listings is down more than 30% year over year in terms of new listings. Last month in April, again, a shortage of 30% year over year. And in March, it was 40% year over year. Add to that, the mortgage interest rates dropped below 3.25 this week, falling almost 0.5% from where they were in April and approaching all-time lows. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have actually forecast that interest rates will fall below 3% for the first time ever in 2021. These low interest rates, which increase the amount that a buyer can purchase, along with pent-up demand and a shortage of inventory, leads to one thing: prices are gonna go up. And that demand and those prices are going to be one of the key factors that lead the American economy back.